Hello, Professor. Hope all is well. We've been on a little screencast grind tonight. Probably got like 2 or 3 left, I believe. I think it was 3. I'm going to be doing the Chapter 13 screencast number 1, quick little IP address and internet speed. Over here we got my IP, 76.89.169.139. Also on the speed test app, we have it right here as well. Same one. We'll go ahead and run this. I think this is my 3rd or 4th time running this one. I did think, though, that you weren't supposed to share your IP with anyone, so I think I'm going to make this video private on YouTube and just send you the link yourself. Download speed, we got 333 megabytes a second. We got 21 ping. And then our upload speed is just under 11 megabytes. I believe that was all we had to do. Have a great rest of your week.